Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. By the time you see this video, it will have been almost 2 months since our last post, so we just want to say that we appreciate everyone for sticking around while we got Heather the treatments that she needed. But we're excited to be back, and we hope that you enjoy this mid-century modern flip. So we picked this piece up at an auction for $10. It's not our normal style, but we thought it would be fun to kind of branch out and do a piece that was mid-century modern. And as always, we start out by removing the hardware and giving it a good cleaning with some TSP. So for this piece, we're going to be adding some metal legs in a little bit. So I'm removing the existing base just so it gives it a little bit of a cleaner look. And before I cut, I'm just laying down some painter's tape to help prevent any splinters from the saw blade. I'm using my Craig jig to drill pocket holes in these mounting blocks for the bottom, which will allow a nice solid place to attach the new legs to. I'll link these legs from Amazon below, but I actually sprayed them a different color. They were more of a gold color than the rest of the hardware that we're going to be using. So I kind of just played around with some different colors until I got it to match pretty well. Here I'm spraying the piece with a Rust-Oleum spray primer. I lightly sanded after it dried and ended up going back over the second coat just for good coverage. Now for these bottom drawers, I'm sanding them all the way down in preparation for staining them, just to bring some wood elements into this piece. Here I'm using a darker stain on the wood filler first to try and blend it before I use the lighter golden pine stain. Just kind of experimenting and trying different things and, trying to blend it all together. So here's when I started to realize that I made a mistake and shouldn't have used a wood filler at this spot because the new poles were going to be a lot closer than I thought to where the old ones were. I should have measured and double checked beforehand. I thought they were going to be a little bit farther apart, and I had a feeling that when I started drilling, the bit would push over into the filler, and it did. So I ended up going back and drilled them out completely and filled them in with a wood dowel, repeated the whole process of blending them with the stain and everything like that. Lesson learned. And that's it for this piece. So just a reminder, here's what it looked like before, and here's what it looks like now. As always, all the tools and products used in this video are linked below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.